This is a 2010 Jaguar XKR protected with an I-96 Connect. If a thief got the key and went to steal this vehicle's just not going to start. You see, ignition power's up, engine doesn't run. We're also going to get a phone call because this is the I-96 Connect, showing the thief's not going to be able to drive away. Also give you an alert if you're inside the house. So in a second you'll see it ring. There we go. Give us time to go out and react to it, see what's going on. Obviously if it's you, you just have your Bluetooth on, phone in your pocket. When you get in, you're good to go. You hear a tone, vehicle starts, you can drive off. It goes into gear and we're away. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.